Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your SoundPeats S5 Bluetooth wireless earbuds. So this is real easy to do, and you might want to do it if you're having issues with connectivity, like it won't connect to your device or keeps disconnecting, or maybe you're only getting sound out of one ear or something like that. A hard reset will fix a lot of things. You will need to repair it with the devices because it will forget the devices it was paired to. But if you're ready to do that, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is, first things you need to do is just put your earbuds in their case and make sure that they are both charging. So once they're sitting in their case and both charging, you're gonna come and simultaneously on the back of both of them, press the button on the back and hold it for 10 seconds. And you'll know that the reset has started when the lights will blink white, red twice. They'll go white, red, white, red. That means that the earbuds have reset. Then you can take them out and pair them again with whichever device you like. Thanks a lot for watching.